Never say never. A deep dive into the adverb of frequency, never. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to delve into an important topic in English grammar, adverbs of frequency. Specifically, we'll be discussing one of the most common adverbs of frequency, never. This small yet powerful word can change the meaning of your sentence dramatically. So, let's get started. Never is an adverb of frequency. It's used to indicate that something doesn't happen at any time or the action or state does not occur. For example, 1. I never go to bed late. 2. She never eats fast food. As you can see, never gives us the idea that these actions or states are not part of the routine or habits of the individuals in question. The positioning of never in a sentence is usually before the main verb. However, if the sentence uses the verb to be, it comes after. Look at these examples. 1. He never drinks coffee, before the main verb, drinks. 2. I am never late for work, after the verb to be, which in this case is am. It's important to remember that never already has a negative meaning, so we don't use it with other negatives like not or don't. Saying, I don't never go to the gym is incorrect. Instead, we say, I never go to the gym. Never can be used in questions to ask if someone has ever done something in their life or not. For example, have you never been to London? Here, it's used to express surprise that the person has not been to London before. Understanding adverbs of frequency like never is a crucial step in mastering English. They allow you to express routines, habits, and experiences, helping you to make your conversations more dynamic and precise. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, never stop practicing and implementing what you learn in your daily English conversations. I hope this video was helpful. Keep learning, and see you next time.